Ready to jump into the world of Solana and Web3 but need a safe way to get Phantom Wallet on your phone? Let's get started ensuring your crypto safety. First, for Android users, head directly to the Google Play Store. This is the safest way to download the app and avoid potential scams. Once you're in the Play Store, use the search bar at the top and type in Phantom Wallet. Make absolutely certain that you're selecting the official Phantom Wallet application to ensure its authenticity by verifying the developer name. After you've verified the developer, press the Install button and let your phone download the true Phantom Wallet app to use with confidence. Now, if you're using an iPhone, the process is very similar. Go directly to the Apple App Store on your device. Never use any other site to download. Just like on Android, tap the search bar and type in Phantom Wallet. Confirm that the app is the official Phantom Wallet by checking the developer information. You want to be 100% certain you're getting the real deal. After verifying, tap the Get button and wait for the Phantom Wallet application to download and install on your iPhone. That's it. You're ready to navigate the Solana seas safely. Remember, always download from the official App Store. Staying safe with Phantom Wallet means only using the official Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Happy and, most importantly, safe cryptoing.